Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Amazon Seller Central securely, detailed guide step by step clearly. To withdraw funds from Amazon Seller Central securely, start by logging into your Amazon Seller Central account. Go to the Reports tab located in the main navigation menu at the top of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Payments. In the Payments section, click on the View Payment History link. Review your recent transactions to ensure the balance is correct. Next, navigate to the Account Info tab in the main menu. Under the Account Information section, locate the Withdrawal option. Click on Withdrawal to initiate the process. Select the bank account where you would like the funds to be transferred. Ensure that your banking information is up to date and secure. Fill in the amount you wish to withdraw from your seller account. Confirm that this amount is available in your account and not subject to reserve or holds. Review all the details carefully before submitting your withdrawal request. Click on Submit to proceed with the withdrawal. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your request has been received. Monitor the funds transfer through your bank account to ensure it arrives as expected. Keep an eye on your email for any communication regarding your withdrawal status. If there are any issues, contact Amazon Seller Support for assistance. Make sure to maintain security practices, including changing your password regularly and enabling two-factor authentication. Always log out of your account after completing transactions to prevent unauthorized access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any request. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.